So today I'm gonna make a telekinesis tutorial, and you need a container, tin foil, and a pen. So this is the easiest technique I found, and it's just doing this. No glass, and the tin foil will start moving. Then when it starts moves, don't touch the glass. Oh my god. I guess you'll probably succeed this in the first attempt. It's the best technique ever. So there's also another technique. It also has a name. It's called push and pull. So put your hands, push, pull, push. See? It's moving. Also do this one. This way. Go to the right, to left, to right, to left, to right, to left, right, to left, left, right, 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 right, left, right, left, right, left. So this is how you can do this, and I guess you will probably succeed in the first attempt when doing this technique here. You simply need to do this on the glass and then remove the hand from the glass, and then you're doing telekinesis. Then you can practice, and then you can maybe do this with, oh my god, the pen fall. Well, with large objects like a ball. I've done it once, but it was kinda luck. And even do this from several meters away, which I've done twice, but I haven't recorded yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and subscribe. I will make more tutorials on how to do stuff like electrokinesis, or I can't do this right now, but some stuff, and remote viewing. Bye.